Shut up and don't tell me how to do things. I'm not saying that I'm special, I'm just unique. I am marching to my own beat. Mine's my playground, but it's really not amusing. Come out back and play, I'll show you where I keep my mood swings. Rhymes are random, I know it's confusing. That's just me, it's how I do things. Thoughts are getting darker, terrible like loose leaf. Please don't take advantage, please don't use me, or your jaw gon' hang like curtains loosely. I'm obsessive, I know things consume me. Overanalyze until my face turns blue. See what you say, what did it mean? Can you repeat it? Hey, hey, please excuse me. Sounded like you doubt my skills, but that's just not computing. It just occurred to me, you never heard of me. That doesn't work for me, mine is disturbing. Now give me a heart to beat, bringing the rappers in here, gonna murder scene. Rhyming so recklessly, don't try to step to me. I'm rapping clean, but I've heard it. Your self-esteem easy to turn on me. That's what I wanna be. Dreamers in front of me, called up the game, and I wonder if I'm coming live. I'm coming for the crown. Here to handle business, I'm not here to play around. Getting in position so they all can hear the sound. Kings and queens don't mean nothing to me.